everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. I know it's been long since I haven't uploaded any video, but, hopefully, here I am with another video. So in today's video, I will show you how to hack any Zoom online class. We will be using two application softwares for this trick. The first is the Zoom official application and the second is ManyCam. The download links will be provided in the description. After you must have downloaded both applications, open ManyCam. You can record a 10 seconds video of your face, or if you have already recorded a video displaying your face, then you can add the media. In this case, I will use a sample video I downloaded from the internet. So I will select Add Media. Browse to the directory of the video and click Open to open the video in ManyCam. Now go to Playlist and activate the clip loop. Now, open Zoom and select to join meeting, or select any option of your choice that will suit you. Once you click on the option that suits you, we can now go on and configure the video source. Click on the Start or Stop video below, and set your camera source to ManyCam virtual webcam. And now, your camera source will directly switch to the video you recorded and added to ManyCam. Now there is this annoying ManyCam watermark that displays below your video and might surely screw down your trick to escape online classes. Let's fix that now. Open your browser and search for getintopc.com. In the site search bar, type in ManyCam and click Enter to search. Now select the first search result. Scroll down the page. Read the full requirements and make sure your PC got at least the minimum requirements. Now click on Download Full Setup. Download the file, extract and then install. Make sure to uninstall any ManyCam version already installed in your PC. That's the pro version of ManyCam, so many features will be enabled and the watermark will disappear in every video and your trick to escape classes will be just perfect. Subscribe to this channel for more tricks. Thanks for watching.